say goodbye to hyperpigmentation, sis. In this video, I'm going to share with you the secret. Let's get started. Just a quick one before we get started. Hello guys, this is Belle Skin from the future, and I'm coming to formally introduce my skincare line to you guys, Belle Skin. I'm so excited. I mean, this has been a long time coming. This has been a long time dream of mine to one day start my skincare line and focus on African ingredients that have healing and amazing properties, that are natural and that work, that have been tested over the centuries and have been used for such a long time. It was a leap of faith for me because I mean, starting a business isn't, the most easy thing. And yes, I'm very excited I went ahead to do this because the reception and the feedback has been awesome and amazing. I mean, you guys are the best. You sent me the most amazing messages, placed your orders, and I'm so excited. Now, for those of you who do not know, we ship worldwide. So wherever in the world you're watching me from and you want to get 100% raw African black soap, yes, we can ship it directly to you. And we also have the African exfoliating sponge. This sponge is commonly used across Africa and it is amazing because of how well it exfoliates the skin. If you watch my channel, you know how much I love exfoliation of the skin, both the body and the face. The reason is because you really need to take off the dead skin cells to allow for regeneration and to really penetrate your products deeply into your skin. So this exfoliating sponge is amazing for the body especially, and once in a while you can use it on the face, but mainly it's for the body. The website is still under construction, so if you want to place your order, you can simply do that by sending a DM to @BelleSkin and your order would be initiated immediately and sent out to you. Thank you so much to all those who have placed their orders. I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. You're just amazing. And to those of you who are considering it, do not hesitate. We're starting off with a 100% African raw black soap and white soap. Yes, I know a lot of you do not know that there's something called white soap. You can check out my black soap video. I'll have it linked up here. And we have it in different sizes. We have the 225 grams, we have the 500 grams, we have the 1 kg, we have the 2 kg, and if you want to place your bulk orders, we can go all the way up to 50 kg if you want, even 100 if you're interested. So yeah, I'm so excited and I cannot wait for you to have a piece of Africa in your hands, straight from Ghana right to wherever you are in the world. I love you guys so much, and let's jump into the video. First and foremost, you want to know what exactly is hyperpigmentation. Well, it's an umbrella term which is defined as anything that causes the darkening or the discoloration of the skin. What are some of the causes? Excessive exposure to sunlight, eczema, acne scarring is one of them. When you pop your acne, you get an unfriendly friend, so please leave them alone. Now, melanin is what gives color to our hair, skin, and eyes, and our skin has something called melanocytes, which produces melanosomes, which produces melanin. I know there are lots of males, but basically we are familiar with melanin, that popping skin. When the melanocytes in our skin is triggered, they tend to produce more pigments, which is what causes the darkening of our skin. So basically, things that trigger excess melanin production is what causes hyperpigmentation in our skin. Now you can already tell that sunscreen is actually going to be very vital in this whole routine, because what happens when we expose our skin to the sun is that it triggers your skin to produce more melanin to protect itself, and over time that can cause damage and mutation of your cells and can lead to skin cancer. So when we say use sunscreen, it's not a hype, guys. You need it. There are different types of hyperpigmentation, and the most common one is the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is usually caused after your skin has been irritated, mostly from acne. There's also melasma. However, in women of color, in dark-skinned people, we mainly suffer from post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It would be an absolute lie to say that there's only one product that can cure hyperpigmentation. That would be false. It's going to be a collective work of varying ingredients, potent, simplistic ingredients that would work together as a team to cure your skin concerns. The first one definitely would be to treat and use gentle products that will not further aggravate the skin and irritate it more, because mainly what is happening here is your skin is reacting to being irritated. So you don't want to continue to trigger your skin. You want to help it heal. You want to give it something that is very gentle and minimalist. And then also you want to use ingredients that would be beneficial to your skin and not further irritate or trigger it. Hydroquinone is quite popular for treating hyperpigmentation, and whilst it's the most effective, long-term use is not advised. It has a bad rep on the market. So I'll be coming from a different angle today, and I'll be talking about the raw African black soap. Let me tell you guys, this is what your black soap should look like. Real, original, raw black soap is not black. Neither is it supposed to have 10,000 ingredients. I mean, there are variations and all, but real, when we say raw, real, 100% African black soap, this is what it should somewhat look like. And it should have a very short ingredient list. That way you know that it's going to do the work and it's not going to irritate or trigger your skin. What are some of the things to look out for when getting raw 100% black soap? Well, first and foremost, all the myths out there that, oh, it's bad for your skin, it burns, it stings, it strips you completely dry, that's because you're not using the original thing. Black soap is made from 100% natural ingredients, and the ash and the carbon contained in black soap is what helps it to heal the skin and cure all the many things. It even works for eczema and so many other very important skin concerns that you may have. This stuff is the real deal. So long as you're getting 100% raw original black soap, you're good to go. The good thing about black soap is that it is free of parabens, sulfates and fragrance, and the shorter your ingredients list, the better it is for your skin. If you irritate dark skin, in no time you'll be left with hyperpigmentation, and to take months to heal. So you want to go with as gentle as possible products and ingredient lists, you know, things that would not trigger your skin even further. I have several skincare videos, in-depth skincare videos that would help you out and, you know, give you an idea, an overview, because I focus on women of color mainly. I mean, look at me. And I feel like out there on the internet we have very limited resources targeted towards women of color, so, and men, okay, not just women, and men. So I'll leave the link to my skincare list. You can binge watch my skincare playlist and get, you know, more in-depth insights. This is also very great for the body if you're suffering from body acne, eczema. The original one, not just anyone, the original thing is amazing for you. Thank you so much for watching. This was a quick one just out there to help, and I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something new. Know that if you're using the real black soap, it doesn't strip your face and you can smile after you wash. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.